and welcome to another makeup video on the internet. I'm your host, Blend Beast, and today we are going to be trying out the Nomad Cosmetics Fuji 5 Lakes Intense Color Palette. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep watching. So this palette was kindly gifted to me by Lalana. You should give her a follow if you're not. She was kind enough to send this to me for my birthday / Christmas. So we're just going to be focusing on the eyes in this video. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. Be right back. All right, now that I look like Neapolitan ice cream, let's get this started. But also, I want to show this packaging off a bit. Like, this is the outer carton. This is the back side here. But if you haven't seen this palette, wait till you see this palette. But let's take a moment, look at this packaging. Look how it's like a painting. Everything is raised. It's really nice. And of course, we have the back here where it says Fuji 5 Lakes. So this palette is based off of Fuji Goko, Japan, specifically in autumn. Alright, so the shadows are infused with Camellia japonica seed oil to help make the skin silky smooth. So are we ready to see what it looks like inside? I know I am. Do you see this color story? It's so beautiful. Now to figure out what we're going to do. First, smooth out this eyeshadow primer I have on my eyes. So I want to start off with the color Yellow Popular. We're just going to take this shade all over the eyes. So happy 2025, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I have to say this year's been pretty interesting. So while we're here, why not tell me what your favorite tree is? I'm kind of partial to red maples. Alright, so now we have Yellow Popular down as a base. So next I want to take the shade Koyo and just kind of put it in the crease for now. Alright, now that we have this yellow moment on the eyes, go back in with Yellow Popular and blend, blend, blend. And we're going to go into Burnish Beach and deepen it up. If I'm saying any of these names wrong, I'm terribly sorry. So far, these shadows are blending really well. So did anyone have a New Year's resolution for 2025? I'd love to hear it. So I'm going to take a little bit of Red Rowan and just put it in right here, just to deepen the out part a little, and then swipe out. Now we're going to take a flat brush with the Yellow Populars on it and just kind of stamp it on right here. We're going to do the same thing with Koyo, but on the outer part here. We're going to take our finger here in Golden Ginkgo and put it in the eye here. Get some nice shine going on. Alright, now that my eyes look like fall, let me just go finish a few things. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's very simple, very basic, but I really do like it. I used some blue in my waterlines. I took the colors up right here and put them underneath here. I'm sure you can see the inner corner of my eye here. That is the Diamond Fuji, which is a beautiful color. So what do we think of the finished look? I know I said it's very simple, but I do like it. So what do I think of this palette? So far, I have used all the shades here and all the way down here, and they work really well. I can't wait to try out the others. But that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.